i35equipment.com. This is Komatsu PC160LC hydraulic track excavator. Welcome you to come look at this machine over for yourself. You can bring your mechanic and operator or hire someone who wants to come to you if you like. However, it is shown by appointment only, so please give us a call to get on the calendar. Our phone number here is 405-833-6437. If you'd like a hauling quote, we do send equipment all over the country. Just fill out that form on our website. We'd be happy to look into that for you. Shouldn't be an issue as long as you have room for a truck. This machine does have the auxiliary hydraulics in case you wanted to add a attachment of some sort, like a grapple or a breaker, or if you wanted to add a hydraulic thumb. We do keep hydraulic thumbs in stock. You can see our full inventory online of thumbs as well at www.i35equipment.com. It also has the hydraulic quick attach in case you need to change out buckets for different jobs, and the forestry cab screen guards on the front of the cab there, as well as on the top to protect your cab and operator. It has two front working brake lights, one on the arm and one on the step. This machine does have multiple travel speed selections, cold working air conditioning, working horn, seems to have good power and travels well. See, he's pumped it up in travel speeds there. Let him climb out and then we'll hop up in there and take a look at the operator station. Here's a good look at that JRB quick attach as well as the bucket. It is a Hensley bucket, 5 teeth and cutting links. Take a look at this undercarriage. Zoom on out to fisheye lens, give you a good view of this interior. You can see that cab screen guard on the roof and in front of the cab there. It does have a nice seat in it. You can already feel that cold working air conditioning. Maybe hard to see, but we're sitting at 73.92 hours. 73.92. Quick attach control. Headlight control. As always, you can see our full up-to-date inventory online at www.i35equipment.com. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a wonderful day.